Yes, right on your side. Yes, today is a tragedy today.
These
Three
people
people
these
have
days
been
ain't got
shot
no
by the name
clue.
of Jarek,
Just out here
Ferrick, and
living
Barrick today.
and
Three
don't
people
even
has
know
been shot.
what's really going on.
Hey,
What's up, son?
Dad. Oh, I have a question?
Watch a little TV. What's good? You alright?
Yes. Oh, I heard a little
What's going on?
noise
What's
last
going
night
on?
from you and Mom. I don't know what it was, but it was something crazy. It was like, "Ee, ee, 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 ee."
Son, I thought you was asleep around about 1 o'clock. What were you doing up?
Yeah, I
What were
was,
you
but
doing up?
it was just that noise that kept bothering me. I don't know what it was.
What's going on?
Ee,
I
ee,
don't know
ee,
what you're
ee,
talking
ee,
about.
ee.
Maybe it was
That's
your
what it
mama.
was, Dad.
Your mama was rambling in her sleep. You know how she do, where she get up, jump up like she ain't got no sense.
Yeah,
All in
that
the
could have
sleep.
been
She
it.
probably had nightmare. What going on? What you talking about? You heard a strange squeaky noise. What was the sound?
I don't know, Dad. That's what it was. A squeak noise. I don't know. I couldn't sleep.
I'll teach you one day, son. Don't tell your mama. Alright? Here. Do a dollar. Get up out of here.
Okay, thank you, Dad.
Son, here, everything. Boy, these
I
kids these
am the
days.
one that can
Hey, get off that
see.
tablet too. Matter of fact, let me see it.
Oh, okay.
And hurry up. Might be watching nothing.